So if you're watching this video, you want to find out the best marketplaces to buy NFTs on the Solana blockchain, and that's why I'm here to help. So let me share with y'all my top 3 favorite NFT marketplaces to buy NFTs on Solana. Unique buyers on the Solana blockchain has hit an all-time high. If you don't remember, back in September, there was actually an all-time high that was previously set for unique buyers on Sol and for transaction volume on the Solana blockchain. So y'all, let me share with y'all the top marketplaces to buy NFTs on Solana, because transactions and unique buyers are at all-time highs and there's money to be made buying Solana NFTs. So starting off, the first NFT marketplace we're going to be talking about is called Solanart. Now on Solanart, we could buy NFTs. This is probably the most well-known Solana marketplace right now. As you can see, it has all the well-known NFT projects scrolling on their dashboard here when you first log on. But when you scroll down, the website is actually super simple. It's probably the most simplified NFT marketplace on Solana. You have the all-time best collections, which is all the most known NFT collections, which you probably don't want to buy. Right now, the way of making money in NFTs is finding the undervalued collections early and being an early holder of one of those NFTs with a very good rarity level. Now, I'm going to make another video where I talk about the rarity tool, like different Solana rarity tools to find undervalued and find rare. To find some rare undervalued Solana NFTs. But once you scroll down in this website, it shows you the trending NFTs currently on Solanart. Now, you can come here on the right-hand side. You can choose 24-hour or you can choose a 7-day. Of course, it'll fluctuate and show you the most trending from the 24-hour or the 7-day. And then you can go there. Now, on the top of this page, on the top dashboard, you can click collections. Now, obviously, that's pretty self-explanatory. You can now explore NFTs and explore the collection by name. You can't really explore an individual collection on this explore page here, but you can obviously click on a NFT collection and now see the NFTs inside that NFT collection. Pretty self-explanatory. The stats feature here basically shows you the most trending NFTs, most trending NFT collections and their stats, and it ranks it by market cap, 7-day volume, average price, and 24 hours and floor price. This basically shows you what NFTs people are buying and flipping. That's what you want to go for. When you're looking for NFTs, you want to go for the NFTs that are having a lot of transactions, meaning people are buying to flip them. Like I said, of course, you want to go and buy something early, and it just ranks it by by market cap. As you can see here, you can choose if you want to rank it by market cap, 7-day volume. You get the picture. All right. So the next marketplace on Solana, NFT marketplace on Solana that we're going to be talking about is called Digital Eyes. Now, I like Digital Eyes a lot. I think the website is pretty self-explanatory and pretty simplified, just like Solana. But one thing just like Solanart. But one thing I do not like is how they have a featured collection on the dashboard. I think if you're a marketplace, why would you feature a collection? Every collection should kind of be equal, just because NFTs are so new and you don't really want to kind of, trick anybody, but, put one NFT collection above the other on a marketplace. You know what I mean? So here, if you scroll down, you can see the latest collections. You see the most trending collections. It's just like Solanart. And you can see the top verified collections. Now, I'm thinking they spelled this wrong on purpose. I don't know why, but this honestly kind of annoys me. Verified, why did they spell it like that? But yeah, this is another very simplified platform. There's actually not a lot of NFTs on Solana right now. So it's very easy, or it's easier to find a profitable NFT than it would be to find one on the Ethereum, just because Solana NFTs are trending right now. All right. So if you wanted to explore an NFT collection, you could either explore an NFT itself by clicking solo. And if you did, it'll bring you to this here. Or if you wanted to explore an NFT collection, a full collection, you would click all collections and you can now be able to explore. Um, it would pull all the collections up. You can now explore it by using the search feature here on the top. If you wanted to connect your wallet, you on the top right hand corner of the screen, you would click connect wallet. And now you can choose the Solana wallet that you use. The most popular Solana wallet is actually the Phantom wallet. And I've actually made a video on how to set up your Phantom wallet. So I'll leave that video. I'll put it on the screen somewhere around here. So y'all can watch that if you want to set up your Phantom wallet to be able to buy NFTs on the Solana blockchain. But another feature that I like on Digital Eyes Market is the Mint calendar. It basically just shows you the upcoming NFTs on Solana. As you can see here, you can get all the different NFTs from the month of March, and all the different mint days and mint prices. Let's scroll into one. This one is Turtle Tides. It shows you what time it's minting, and it also shows you the day that it's minting and for what what price if you click on it. So the next marketplace I want to talk about on the Solana blockchain, next NFT marketplace is called Solsea. And I think, honestly, in my opinion, this is the best. It's really actually relatively new right now, but I think I like this marketplace the most because of everything it offers. First off, if you just scroll through this website, the UI, the user interface of this website is actually very pleasing, and it actually makes you want to buy. I don't know, personally, it just makes me want to buy. As you see here in the middle of the screen, you can search by collection. You can search the NFT you want by NFT collection you want by collection name. If you want to only get verified NFTs and look for verified NFT collections, you would come here and you would highlight that on the left-hand corner, and now you're only seeing verified NFT collections. Another thing that you could utilize is the Explore tab here. If you want to only look for NFTs, if you want to look for them by collection, you want to look at the stats of this website, you want to check the calendar in the first 100. So a feature I like that's a bit different is like the calendar, just like in Digital Eyes. You can click on the calendar and see when the different collections are dropping on Solana, on Solsea, and you can see their mint prices and the time that they're dropping. In the Create tab, you could if you wanted to create one NFT, you could come here and click that, and you could list it on Solsea. Or if you wanted to create a whole NFT collection, you would come here, you would click it, you can now create that. If you want to stake your art tokens, AART, you could come here and stake it on this platform. Of course, you have the frequently asked questions tab. And then another pretty cool thing is that you could change the language on this website. So you don't need Google Translate. You don't need any of that. So let's say if you speak Dutch, come here and you could select Dutch. So now you'd be seeing everything in Dutch. All right. As you see here, I don't know what in the world that means. But for my Dutch folks out there, if anybody's Dutch watching this video, you know what that means. You could also select Turkish. So I don't know Turkish again, and then another feature that I like a lot as well is this. Sorry, let me change it back to English so I know what I'm doing. But another feature I like as well is you could change the theme of the website. So you just come here. Younger people will probably relate to this a lot because of the iPhone and Twitter, how you can change the theme on Twitter. You just switch here and you switch it to dark mode. I personally like dark mode a lot. It just looks cooler in my opinion. If I go to the home page, you can kind of see more what I'm talking about. I think it looks cooler. I don't know what y'all think, but I think it looks cooler. Now let me switch back to the white version so you can see. Yeah, the dark version looks cooler in my opinion. And then last but not least, if you wanted to connect your wallet, you would just come here. And of course, Phantom would be the first one because Phantom is the most popular Solana wallet. So that's all the top 3 marketplaces I like. Like I said, I like Solsea probably the most, but Solanart is the most famous right now. These are all great NFT platforms that you utilize on the Solana blockchain if you're looking to, buy NFTs on Solana. I'm going to be dropping another video probably tomorrow where I talk about the different rarity tools that you can use to buy NFTs on Solana. And let's say you wanted to buy Solana and then be able to send it off a exchange. You can use Gate.io. I love Gate.io. It's my favorite exchange. So if you wanted to make a Gate.io account and you don't have that yet, you could use the referral link. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. So you could buy the Solana. You could buy your Solana on Gate.io and then send it off of Gate.io to your Phantom wallet and be able to buy NFTs on the Solana blockchain. All right. Y'all peace out. Have a good day.